Hello guys, welcome to another video from IT Sense. My name is Faisal and in this video we will review Stellar Phoenix Mailbox Exchange Recovery. Okay, genuinely guys, in this video I would like to share my experience with you, and this experience is regarding a product called Stellar Phoenix Mailbox Exchange Recovery. And as an experienced exchange system admin, we know that how hard and tedious process exchange recovery is. Really, it's not easy. And there are so many scenarios in which your exchange database can go bad, like sometimes dirty shutdown or log file corruption, hardware failure, file systems problem because of virus, and sometimes problem even, you know, because of antivirus. If your file system antivirus is not configured correctly, it can really damage your Exchange database. What I'm trying to say here, there is always a possibility that something can happen, and trust me, not every organization have very high resiliency or high availability environment like DAG or even DAG with the lag copies, so that in case of corruption they can, get away with it. Not everyone has it. Yeah, Microsoft do provide us tools like ESC utility and IS integ, to check and repair databases, and Xmerge, for example, to extract mailbox data to PST. And of course, there is an option for recovery database or recovery storage, or storage group, depends which exchange version we are talking about. But let's face it, it's not easy. And there are several recovery scenarios, we can end up with. And each command, when I talk about ESC util or IS integ, they have dozens of different switches, and if you believe that you have excelled that art of recovery and you know each and every scenario and each and every commands and its switches, then definitely you deserve to be in Exchange Server Hall of Fame. But it's not the case with majority of us. And especially nowadays when all of us, we do a lot of multitasking, like managing hypervisors, servers, SQL Server, SharePoint Server, network devices, and list goes on and on. So we need something fast and quick, and regardless of whatever the scenario and whatever the type of corruption is, all I want as an admin is to care about the recovery of my email data, recovery of mail messages. This is it. And that's where, a Stellar Phoenix Exchange recovery product comes in. I would say it's like a Swiss Army knife for an exchange administrator. So whatever the database problem is, it can recover your database. Icing on the cake is that it can even your offline exchange backup EDB files and recover and restore your exchange mailboxes and its data, even a single message. You can search within that and restore a single message. You can export to PST. You can do it in different format, and and it's super easy to use. And you can restore your exchange mailboxes, as I said. Uh, well, that was icing on the cake. If you want cherry on top, then hear this. You can even recover your mailboxes to Office 365. Yes. All you have to do once you recover your data, you can upload that data directly through Office 365 and to any live Exchange server. Let's say I recover a few mailboxes and I want mailboxes data to be stored in another Exchange server which is running. So all I can do is a matter of few clicks. I can just simply do that. It's super easy. Lots of things are, and list goes on and on. It supports all Exchange servers version, from legacy version up to Exchange 2016. It supports Windows 10. It supports Outlook 2016 as well. And it's so simple and easy to use, and very, very reasonable price. As a matter of fact, at the moment they are now offering up to 50% discount. And with this type of software, which makes recovery very super easy, I believe it's a bargain. So let me just show you real quick here. This their website. They are not new, by the way, as you may know. They are well known for making recovery software. And this is the one I'm talking about, Exchange Recovery. And here you can say it has heaps of options like restore and recovers mailboxes from corrupt EDB. You can export your recovered mailboxes to Office 365, as I mentioned, or to Live Exchange. You see, even legacy Exchange servers, as well as supports 2016 latest and greatest. It can repair and corrupt your EDB. Oh, sorry, repair and recover corrupt EDB files. And as I mentioned earlier, you can search, for emails from that repaired database, and you can save your mailbox item as PST or different formats. And over here, it has lots of endorsement and very good ratings from different website, msexchange.org, and lots of exchange experts. They have endorsed this product. Uh, Great features, and these are few highlighted ones. As I said, corrupt exchange server recovery. I was talking about dirty shutdown, and this is what here. See, recover EDB file from error, dirty shutdown, failure to mount. You can do mailbox recovery. You can search for it can search for EDB file location. If you don't know, it can do that for you. You can search emails from scan EDB and recover individual emails. Detailed log report, supports all versions, and it's relatively very quick. And and their side, they made it super easy. If you see, they have given even the guidelines that when you prefer to use mailbox recovery, and when you would like to opt out for this option when you like to convert your EDB to PST. So very simple software, very well defined documentation, very easy. These are the screenshots mentioned here, and the compatibility for the operating systems. Uh, Not lots of hardware requirement. Okay, so I will strongly advise you to check out this. You must check out, and really you will like it. You can download trial version free of charge. Uh, it won't allow to recover, but it can scan and it can show you the items, so you believe that, yeah, okay, it can easily see through the corrupt file. It can repair the corrupt file and it can show you the contents. So if you have a full license, all you have to do, just select and restore, and go for any restore option you want, or how you want to save those messages. Or maybe you would like to export those recovered mailboxes directly to your Office 365 or your Exchange server, another Exchange server mailbox which is running in another Exchange database, or maybe another Exchange server. Uh, Very good. Price wise, as I say, it's a bargain. Now they are going for 50% off. They have the complete toolkit, which is a combination of 5 different tools, including Exchange Recovery. This is the one I'm talking about, Exchange Server Recovery. But they have Exchange Mailbox Extractor and Exchange Backup Repair, and they have even Exchange Server Backup. Check out. You must check it out. And I would say I have installed this software and I have tested it and it's awesome. It's really awesome. Okay, now I will show you installation of Stellar Phoenix software. I have a trial version, so I will show you how to install it. It's the same way. The only difference between the trial and the full version is the registration key, and the only thing and the other difference is you will be able to save the data, as I said earlier in this video. So I have Windows 8.1 and I have Outlook 2016 installed, and just to let you know, just I have an Exchange server here, and as you can see, I have data employees database which is mounted and executives database which is dismounted. And why it's dismounted? Because I simulate a problem. I made it corrupted somehow. I manipulated log files, and now if I try to mount this one, it should fail, and that simulates a scenario where the exchange have a missing log files and cannot start or mount the database. As I said, the Stellar Phoenix can be used in many scenarios. Of course, I can't simulate all of them, but this is the simplest one we can do. And so let's go to Windows 8 and let's start installing Stellar Phoenix. It's on the download. I downloaded this software, so let's install. It's all next. Nothing special. Very simple, very easy. No confusing prompts or anything, and that's it. It's all there. And what I did, I mapped a network drive to my Exchange server where the database file is for executive database. Okay, so let's launch Stellar Phoenix. It's asking for EDB. I'll say open. I'll go to my computer, shared map folder, and this is the one, and start. Now it has two options: quick scan or extensive scan. Quick, most of the time it's enough and can do the job, so I'll choose quick scan and let's see what happens. Oh, another ADB? No. Oh, it was really quick and it can read my database. That's good. And yeah, I have these three users and their mailboxes. That's the database. Let me just show you here. If I go to recipients and let me just sort it by database, you see? Mark Nicholas, Martin Reeves, and Steve Smith in executives database, and that's what exactly this software can see. And if I go to inbox, yep, all emails are there, and including the confidential file, the one which has attached a PDF attachment. This is really wonderful. So all items are here. So if I, let's say, want to recover data from this one, you see here are many options. I can save it as PST, I can save it message, I can save it email, HTML, RTF, PDF. I can export to Exchange Mailbox. Yeah, to another mailbox. All this data I can send it to another day, or Exchange, or export to Exchange Office 365. This is really cool stuff. This is really cool stuff. Yeah, this is so nice. And Once it is scanned this database, all you have to do, you can just simply save this one, and so you don't have to do the rescan. You can do it in a report, and as I say, you can search for a particular message. Remember, from attachment name, it can show you. Let me see. It can. Let's try. Sorry. No, I think it's star. It's not spotted. So first message confidential. I think. Yeah. Okay. So star, I think it's not supported. But if I say if I mention the name of that file, it showed me three messages because all three have these messages from administrator or confidential or PDF. Okay. So it's still cool. So still, if the user knows what it's looking for, it can get it done. And this is really cool feature. So just quickly extract whatever you like and give it to user or export it and move it. I mean, that's really cool. Just move it wherever you like. You can just take that data and give it to user, or send it to Office 365 account or mailbox. So this is really cool. Um, I can't show you save option because it will ask for the registration, and registration is by machine. Unfortunately, I don't have the registration key. Um, the one I have, I can't use it here in lab environment, license restrictions. So, but trust me, I have tried this and it worked really well. I just tried to give you a small demo to you so you can understand that what I'm trying to say, and I just simulated one of the scenarios where the database file is down and you need to recover some data from it so that you can send those or bundle these email messages or entire mailboxes maybe and recover to live exchange server or to Office 365 or to save all content as PST, and you can see how easy it is. Okay, to conclude this video, I will say that I found Stellar Phoenix Mailbox Exchange Recovery product very easy to install, very easy to understand, and very easy to use. Price wise is also tick the box, and especially now when they are, offering very massive discount for their entire exchange toolkit, which has lots of recovery tools, and they're offering excellent price, which I think it's hardly. I don't think it's beatable. The only suggestion I would say that if they can add wildcard support, like if you and like in this video when for example, I tried to search like star.pdf files, somehow it didn't work for me. So if they can add wildcard support, so especially on searching for files that you want to recover from all different mailboxes, then it will make it more great. It's already a great product, but it will be more better. That's the only reason I give 4.5 stars out of 5. Uh, this will make it super easy to recover files of certain type, without knowing exact names. I will definitely recommend this software. And my advice to all my viewers is to definitely should check out the software, and I will strongly encourage you guys to try it out. As I said that, for every exchange admin, you need something like this. Like, it's like a Swiss Army knife. lots of recovery tools. Make your life easy, and especially make it very useful in case if disaster strikes. It makes the recovery super easy, and that's the time that you will enjoy this type of tools the most. So once again I will strongly encourage that uh, go to their website, stellarinfo.com. Not only Exchange Server, they have several different type of tools. They are well known for making data recovery softwares. So whether it's Exchange, whether it's Windows, or whether it's Mac, or whether it's a SQL Server database repair, they have all sorts of tools. Excellent rating from lots of different sources, as you can see, Exchange.org, with Exchange.org Gold Award. So and yours truly, I will also strongly recommend that. uh, I find it very useful, and I tried in production. It works like a charm. So this is, guys, thank you very much for watching this video, and I will uh, I would say, please do visit my YouTube channel. It's youtube.com/c/itsense. Don't forget to subscribe, and this will encourage me to make more videos and do more reviews. And I will see you in next video. Take it easy.